we're going to be decorating a Thanksgiving tiered tray. It's inspired by those little figurines you see right there. It's the first time I've done one, so I thought I would give it a shot. We're also going to be making easy pumpkin muffins. I will link the recipe for you below, but they're really good and I hope you like them. So let's go ahead and get into this video. This is a Dollar Tree piece that I purchased a while back, and I just took some antiquing wax. I really wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it, and I wanted it to make sure that it matched the figurines. So I used the antiquing wax and I covered it, and then I just went ahead and used these stickers that I have. I have this whole sheet of Thanksgiving stickers that I've never used. I've had them since my scrapbooking days, and I really wanted to use them. And so I'm just playing with them here on this little bale of hay that I made, and I used this in another DIY I did a couple videos back. And I love all these stickers, so I'm really just trying to figure out just exactly which ones I want to use here. I really wanted the piece of corn there, and then in the end I just decided to add on the hat. So not really DIYs, but just adding a few stickers to decorate with. All right, we are going to make these easy pumpkin cake muffins today. For this recipe, you are going to need 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, nutmeg, cinnamon, and cloves. You're going to need some kind of spray to spray your muffin tins or some paper cups to put your muffins in. And I'm adding in some brown sugar today to this recipe. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go over to your oven and you're going to preheat it to 350. Drop them into a 12-slot muffin tin and divide up the mixture. The mixture is pretty thick, so you're going to drop it like with a spoon, like you're doing a drop cookie. All right, here they are done and they smell wonderful. So when they cool off a little bit, I'm gonna try one and I'll let you know. I did cook them for the whole 25 minutes. I stopped it after 23, but then I thought, kind of poked them a little bit, and then I did put it back in for the last 2 minutes. And I had to get potatoes in the oven. Raise your hand in the comments if you are also always multitasking. All right, I am just gonna pick one of these here and try them and let you know how they are. All right, they were really good. They were moist at the bottom and they were crunchy on top. The person who made the comments about putting the brown sugar on top, that was like an extra that wasn't in the original recipe. They had a great idea because it gives the top part a real crunchiness to it, but the underneath part in the bottom was still really moist. If you like it really moist, you would like it cooked the length of time that it said, 25 minutes. If you would want it a little drier, you probably would want to cook it a little bit longer. But it was crunchy on top, moist on the bottom. I really liked it. It tasted a little bit more like cake. It didn't quite taste exactly like a muffin, but personally, I actually like a cake tasting muffin. So here I have these on my tiered tray, and they're ready and waiting here for anybody coming in from work or school. So I hope you have enjoyed that today. Don't forget that I will have the recipe linked below in the description box, and next Tuesday will be another tiered tray Tuesday. I will be back with a Christmas tiered tray, and I have new Christmas DIYs that I can't wait to show you. I haven't done them before, and I'm really excited to show you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.